about tobacco juice and mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time.
You probably can't see them very good, but there are a few Missouri night crawlers in there, some red worms, small Aberdeen hook, so running weight on it, barrel weight with split shot. Missouri night crawler on this Aberdeen hook. It's a running sinker rig also. Got a swivel on this one though. Couple red beads. Always important. Warm rag. Clean your hands with, especially if you dip tuna backer like this dummy redneck does. Well, we're sitting there fishing for a few hours, which is luck. Before I cast it out, that's that barrel sinker, a couple beads, and that swivel. Took one of them fish like spin a lot. You know, some channel cat. Didn't get skunked. Sunfish. Well, been early in the fishing trip, I'd cut him up, put him on for cup bait. Since nothing seems to be biting very well, we'll just let him go. Thanks for playing, buddy. See if we can't get a couple more. You guessed it. What is this? This one appears to be a bluegill. Well, I'd have two little ones to eat if I felt like cooking them up. But there's no sense killing them. Maybe we'll get lucky and be blessed by catching another one. Got another bite there. I captured on video. And we got him. Oh, it's a little bigger one here. A little bigger one here. We have a stone perch drum. Boy, I tell you what, get back over here. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Sorry about the camera. There's a nice eater, but he swallowed it down to his blink. I was hoping to catch some of these. Usually they're quite plentiful in this Bourbeuse River. Another sunfish species. I've been packing that measuring tape. I figured I'd measure something. Look, see, almost 12 inches. Still a good eater. I'm going to turn him loose. I burnt the line. Let him have the hook. It'll rust out.
Nature's quite a lady, but you're the one I need.
I don't know if he's seen, but he's going. Thanks for playing, buddy. Look at that. Probably a little spotted bass chasing a minnow. There used to be a lot of smallmouth in this river. You come down and float it with a pig or jig. I like the same minnows and use shiners. You catch, I'm not going to kid you a bit, 80 to 100 smallmouth a day.
I sat there on the bar stool and I looked him in the face. He seemed a little haggard, but did not slow down.